The golden age of civilizations was not a single chapter in history, but a vast tapestry woven across continents and centuries, where humanity repeatedly reached breathtaking heights of creativity, science, philosophy, and power. And this documentary takes you across that monumental journey, beginning in the fertile lands of ancient Egypt, where the shimmering Nile gave birth to a kingdom so advanced that its achievements still puzzle modern engineers. From the precise alignment of the pyramids of Giza with the stars to the remarkable knowledge of medicine, embalming, irrigation, astronomy, and hieroglyphic writing, all of which laid the foundations for organized society. Then we move east to Mesopotamia, the legendary cradle of civilization, where the Sumerians carved the world's first cities out of clay and stone, invented writing through cuneiform, established the first documented legal code, and mastered irrigation and trade networks that connected vast regions, turning the region into a beacon of innovation. Further east, the Indus Valley civilization thrived with meticulously planned cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, featuring straight streets, grid systems, advanced sewage and drainage lines, public baths, and standardized bricks showing a level of urban sophistication that wouldn't be matched for thousands of years. From there, we journey to ancient China, a land of dynasties whose emperors oversaw the creation of technologies that would change global civilization. Paper, silk, magnetic compasses, early seismographs, gunpowder, porcelain, and monumental works like the Great Wall, all emerging from a culture deeply rooted in philosophy, harmony, and scientific curiosity. Then comes the mighty Persian Empire, stretching from Egypt to India, known for its tolerance, multicultural society, the royal road system, postal networks, grand palaces, and a style of governance so efficient that it influenced future empires for millennia. From Persia, the story moves toward ancient Greece, a small collection of city-states that produced some of the greatest thinkers the world has ever known: Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, who questioned existence, ethics, logic, and the universe itself, while mathematicians like Archimedes and Euclid revolutionized science, and architects built temples and theaters that remain cultural symbols of beauty and democracy. Their ideas shaped Rome, which transformed into one of the greatest empires in human history, mastering engineering on an unmatched scale through aqueducts, roads stretching across continents, massive domes like the Pantheon, public baths, legal systems, and military strategies that turned a small city into a global force, laying the groundwork for modern governance and infrastructure. Meanwhile, across oceans, the Maya observed the stars with astonishing accuracy, built towering pyramid cities, developed advanced calendars, and created intricate writing systems, while the Aztecs engineered floating gardens and mighty temples, and the Inca constructed a vast network of roads carved through mountains, developed terrace farming that fed millions, and built Machu Picchu as a symbol of architectural brilliance. As centuries turned, the Islamic Golden Age arose, a time when scholars in Baghdad, Cordoba, and Cairo preserved ancient knowledge and expanded it through groundbreaking discoveries in algebra, optics, medicine, chemistry, engineering, literature, and philosophy, with libraries like the House of Wisdom becoming centers of global learning that later ignited the European Renaissance. And Europe's Renaissance became another beacon of human brilliance, sparking new ideas about art, anatomy, architecture, astronomy, navigation, and printing, leading to explorers mapping the globe, scientists redefining the laws of nature, and artists creating masterpieces that would shape modern culture. Through these interconnected chapters, the golden age of civilizations shows how human potential thrives when societies value learning, creativity, unity, and ambition, proving that greatness is never confined to one culture or one era, but rises wherever curiosity meets courage, leaving behind monuments, inventions, philosophies, and legacies that continue to remind us that every civilization carries a spark that can illuminate the world, and that even today we stand on the shoulders of countless golden ages whose brilliance still guides our future.